Welcome to this video on the mathematics of harmonic motion. We'll deconstruct kinematics, resonance, and energy transfer in oscillating systems, from simple restoring forces to tuned mass dampers. Oscillations can escape control, leading to catastrophic failure. An example is the Angers Bridge collapse in 1850, where soldiers' rhythmic marching caused the bridge to oscillate severely and collapse. Engineers must model and control oscillations to prevent destruction. The prime condition for simple harmonic motion, or SHM, is Hooke's law, F equals kx. Here, the restoring force, F, is always directed towards equilibrium and is proportional to the displacement, x. The negative sign indicates the force opposes displacement. Two classic archetypes of harmonic motion are the mass spring system and the simple pendulum. The period, t, of the mass spring system depends on mass and spring stiffness, while the simple pendulum's period depends only on length and gravity. Both exhibit the isochronous property, meaning the period is independent of amplitude. We can model straight-line oscillations using trigonometry through the circular projection model. Simple harmonic motion is the one-dimensional projection of an object moving in a two-dimensional circle. The angular velocity, omega, translates directly to the frequency of oscillation. The calculus of oscillation relates displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Displacement, x, is a cosine function. Velocity, v, is the derivative of displacement and is a negative sine function. Acceleration, a, is the derivative of velocity and is a negative cosine function, perfectly mirroring and opposing displacement. In an undamped system, energy smoothly transfers between kinetic and potential forms. At maximum displacement, potential energy is maxed out and kinetic energy is zero. At equilibrium, kinetic energy is maxed out and potential energy is zero. Total energy remains constant. Oscillation can be free or forced. Free oscillation occurs at the system's natural frequency with constant mechanical energy. Forced oscillation is driven by an external periodic force, vibrating at the driving frequency and requiring continuous energy input to maintain amplitude. Resonance is dangerous. When the driving frequency matches the natural frequency, the system absorbs maximum energy, resulting in a catastrophic spike in vibrational amplitude. A classic example is a sound wave shattering a wine glass if its frequency matches the glass's natural frequency. Damping is the controlled loss of energy in an oscillating system, progressively reducing its amplitude over time. Mechanisms like friction convert kinetic energy into heat. The goal is to prevent runaway amplitudes and return unstable systems to equilibrium. There are 3 degrees of damping. Light damping reduces amplitude gradually over many cycles, like a playground pendulum. Critical damping returns to equilibrium in the quickest time without overshooting, similar to mountain bike shock absorbers. Heavy damping is excessive resistance, like slow-closing heavy bank vault doors. A key application of this math is the tuned mass damper, used in skyscrapers to counteract dangerous structural oscillations from earthquakes or wind. A massive pendulum, tuned to the building's sway frequency, provides a massive restoring force, while hydraulic pistons provide critical damping to instantly bleed energy.